Yes children, in this video we just learn how to write the practical part or experiment part or activity part. Experiment 3 which we have just learned today, that is about the reaction between acid and metal. So aim, reaction of zinc with dilute sulfuric acid. Material required, zinc granules, dilute sulfuric acid. Clamp stand, boiling tube, cork fixed with a fine capillary tube. What is the theory for this? Zinc being more active replace or displace hydrogen in the reactivity series. Where zinc is more active, displace hydrogen in the form of hydrogen gas. Now see the diagram carefully and draw it in the notebook. So here symbolic equation I have wrote, that is sulfuric acid H2SO4 zinc react produces zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. So draw this diagram carefully. Now we see the procedure, observation and inferences, that means result, in one table only. So what the procedure we have done, we have taken the zinc granules in a boiling tube and we have add the dilute sulfuric acid to it. Immediately we have to close the tube with the cork fixed with the glass capillary tube, and we have to just bring the burning candle near the mouth of the capillary tube. So what observation we observed, that brisk reaction occurs and brisk effervescence, bubbles forms, and the gas which evolved burns with a pop sound. So what the result or what the inferences we just have, that is the gas which is produced during the reaction is hydrogen gas, which is displaced by zinc, as zinc is more reactive than the hydrogen gas, and this is known as single displacement reaction, children. So kindly copy down this procedure, observation and inferences in one table only. Then after at the end we are writing the result, that zinc reacts with sulfuric acid to produce hydrogen gas and zinc sulfate. Children, when we talked about any metal react with the acid, they always produces hydrogen gas except nitric acid. Nitric acid do not react with acid at all. It only react with magnesium and manganese metal. Now what the precautions we have to take, that we have to handle the chemical with the care. We have to use the small jet to taste the hydrogen gas. So children, kindly copy down this particular experiment or practical or activity in your notebook. Only one of the particular activity which is very necessary to learn about, that is the single displacement reaction activity, that means the reaction of iron with copper sulfate. These two activities only for your information we have just shown you in the chemistry lab. Thank you. So see thoroughly and copy down in the notebook, children.